Hey y'all, welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it, we get straight to it. And today, I'm changing up my skincare routine. And I have 3 reasons why you should too. Make sure you watch each and every reason so that you can make sure you're not making the same mistakes that I made. Okay, beauty, so the name of the game for me is definitely hydration at this point. I'm over 40, so I'm losing collagen by the minute. And so therefore, I have to make sure that my skin is as hydrated as possible if I want to remain, pretty much youthful looking, okay? That's just a clue as to where we are going with these steps of my skincare routine update. I switched out my actual cleanser. At first, I was using like this e.l.f. just facial cleanser for basically removing makeup, removing my makeup balm, and just rinsing my face off. Realizing that I did not have an actual cleanser for my daily routine. So, number 1, make sure you have a cleanser for your daily routine that matches your skin type. Mine is pretty much normal. So therefore, me using that Cerave that I showed you is great for me because it's hydrating and it balances my skin out because it has the hyaluronic acid, it has peptides, ceramides, all of the great things that Cerave products typically have. That's number 1. Number 2 is to make sure that you are doing your steps in the correct order. I can't emphasize this enough. How you layer your products actually matter. So if you have an essence, because I use an essence for my face, you want to put that on because it's lightweight, it's thin. You can feel the difference. It's not creamy, thick like a moisturizer. If you're using just niacinimide or hyaluronic acid or an acne spot treatment. If you're putting those on to take care of some of the skin problems that you actually have, then you want to put those on first. 1, so that they can penetrate and get rid of the problem that you actually have. 2 is because they work better when they're layered thin to thick. Okay, that's just what I just learned. You know what I'm saying? So I felt like I gotta tell y'all, right? So after you do your serums and your spot treatments and you go ahead and put on your eye serums, because they're serums as well, then we go in with our moisturizers, okay? Moisturizers for me, because I put on more than one. My vitamin C is actually a moisturizer. My moisturizer is a moisturizer. And then I put on a sunscreen that has moisturizer in it because, again, like I said, the name of the game for me is definitely staying hydrated, keeping my skin plump, because I apply makeup. And when I apply makeup, some of those products actually have alcohol in it. And if they do, I don't want it drying my skin out. At the end of the day, then I'm looking like I'm old and decrepit. So even though they're getting better with makeup products, I still want to make sure that I'm protecting the skin that God gave me because I need it, honey. Even when I stop wearing makeup and when I don't wear makeup on those days, I want to make sure I'm looking my best, okay? Natural me is cute me. You know what number 3 is? Number 3 is reading the directions of your product so that you can apply them the proper way. What good is it to get sheets and then just lay them on top of the bed? They're not gonna work for you. It's not gonna, if you don't read the instructions or you don't know how to do it and you don't put them on right, it's not gonna work. That's the same thing with skincare products, y'all. So if you buy serums, make sure you're reading if the serum says to apply with your fingertips and pat them onto the skin. Apply them while skin is damp. Apply them while skin is dry. Apply them after your moisturizer or before your moisturizer. Like, make sure you're reading the directions of the products that you're picking up so you actually can apply them so that they can actually correct the problem that you have and or help your skin in the manner in which it's supposed to be helped. So those are the 3 things that I got as far as me changing my skincare routine. Okay, honey, I'm going to definitely make sure I keep my cleanser on deck and I'm washing my face accordingly. I'm going to make sure that I'm applying my products in the right order so that, I'm not jacking up the way that it's supposed to actually work. Those are my 3 things for you. Leave me some comments below. Let me know if any of this was new to you, if any of this resonates with you. Just let me know what you got, because this is what I have. In the meantime, in between time, y'all make sure y'all looking on the side, checking out how I'm putting on all this stuff, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to applying my skincare routine for me, because I am a woman who is definitely over 40 and I want to make sure that I look my age each and every time I walk up out the door. And don't forget your Carmex. Also, I want to let you guys know, make sure that you're not putting on retinol in the daytime. I probably have mentioned that in one of my videos, and that was by mistake because I didn't know. So as I grow, as I learn, I want to give it back to you. Retinol actually is not good when you're in the sun, okay? So put that on at night. And I can do a nighttime routine for you as well, because that's when you like exfoliate and then you put on your retinol, but you gotta skip a certain, like there's a totally different routine shakeup that I have learned for nighttime. So if y'all want a nighttime skincare routine, just drop me some comments below, let me know, and I can definitely do you guys an update on that as well, because I have updated that as well. All right, now let's do it.